Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is a bit special because we are fixing a set of 17 inches rim for this very classic Mercedes R129 300 SL. Since we are doing this, let me share you some tips about changing rim and tires for this car, because finding a set of rim for this Mercedes R129 is not as simple as you think. So before we proceed, let's talk about the original stock rim specification. This Mercedes R129 300 SL comes in stock rim of 16 inches. 16 times 8 inches, PCD 5 times 112, offset is 34. The original stock tires will be 215/55 16 tires. So since the original stock rim is 16 inches, if you want to change sport rims, I recommend you choose rim diameter from 17 inches to 18 inches. And as a general rule of thumb, front width you can choose between 8 to 8.5 inches, offset between 25 to 15. And as for the rear, you can choose rim width between 9 to 10 inches, offset between 25 to 15 as well. So as for the tires, there's a few combinations you can consider. 235/45/17 for the front, 245/45/17 for the rear. However, since this rim is 9.5 inches for the rear, I recommend you go for this size, 225/45/17 for the front, 255/40/17 for the rear. So one thing which makes finding a set of rim for this Mercedes R129 a bit difficult is actually because of the brake calipers. As you can see, the original stock wheel calipers is a bit extruding out from the wheel hub. So whatever rims you're going to fix onto this car needs to have clearance for it. So my recommendation, always check your wheel clearance before you proceed. Another thing which makes finding a set of rim for this Mercedes R129 a bit difficult is because of the rim width and rim offset combination. Seeing all the brand new design rim in the market are offset between 35 to 45. So whatever design you want to fix onto this car require wheel spacers. Nothing wrong with wheel spacers, however, if you go for a less quality wheel spacers or it is not installed properly, it will usually cause you vibration issue. Another problem about finding rim for this car is the design. Seeing this R129 is more than 30 years old, so all this modern and futuristic design just doesn't really go well with this car. So taking all this into consideration, I only have one design to recommend you guys, and this is Futura Design rims. So this is classic Futura, and I have size 17 and 18 inches suitable for all kind of classic Mercedes as well as BMW. So the best thing about this rim is really the rim spec. 17 times 8.5 inches, offset 15 for the front, 17 times 9.5 inches, offset 20 for the rear. As you can see, this rim aligns with the car fender perfectly, making the R129 look so muscular. So another best thing about this rim is the lip depth. This rear rim's 9.5 inches lip depth is more than 4 inches and it is 2 layers, giving the rim extra shine. This rim 17 inches will look a lot like 18 inches after fixing to the Mercedes. So if you are driving a classic Mercedes or BMW, you should really consider this Futura Classic. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like what we do here, please show some love, like the video and subscribe to us. And if you're looking for sport rims, please remember to check out King Ring Facebook and King Ring website. Thanks again for watching. I see you guys in the next video.